What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. Y'all gonna have to forgive me. It's been a crazy week for me. I gotta say, the unexpected happened. My daughter came about a week and a half, 2 weeks early. So I have not been able to unbox some shoes. Been kind of busy with that. So I appreciate you guys for tapping in with me. I appreciate you guys for clicking the button. Just make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys have been paying any attention, you guys know that I hit on a couple pairs of shoes. So I'm just ready to unbox them. Got this box from Nike. The box is kind of dinged up, man. And to be honest with you, man, it looked like somebody tried to peek inside my box, because this right here, when I got the box, this was already like this. The box is all dinged up. It looks like, you know, somebody was slightly curious, and once they realized that they were pulling the box off, they stopped. So, shout out to Nike. But if you guys would stop putting "Just Do It" tape on it, then we probably wouldn't have to worry about this. Regardless, let's get into the box, man. I've been waiting to unbox this shoe for, let's just say, a week. Probably a week and a half. So, let's get into it. First box is first. You got Air Force One. The tag reads Air Force One 07 Lv8, white, black, lion blue. Size 10, so you know it's a personal size. Now this shoe right here was the first shoe I picked up. Super duper excited to see it in hand. Now, with me being from the Pacific Northwest, Tacoma to be exact, we are big fans of the kid, you know what I mean? Mr. 2-4 himself. We're not talking about Kobe, we're talking about Ken Griffey Jr. So when I seen this Air Force One drop on the Nike app, I knew I had to get my hands on it. Take first looks at this. Wow. I'll be honest with you, I'm not the hugest Air Force One fan, but anything I could get with that has anything to do with Ken Griffey, I'm always gonna shoot my shot for that. Wow, this shoe is dope. We'll set that shoe down. We'll open up this other one. Wow. All right, you guys ready to see? I don't think you guys have seen it yet, so bam. You got the Air Force One, Ken Griffey Jr. This shoe is clean, man. This shoe is clean. The shoe resembles a baseball. You got the stitching coming up on the heel. On the back of this shoe, which is the left shoe, it says Junior with the Nike sign. Come around the side, you got a hang tag with Griffey's Swingman. You also have a mini Nike check. I am a big fan of the mini swoosh. I like the mini swoosh on Air Max 1s, and it also looks really good on this Air Force One. Now if we come around and you look at this material, it's like a really soft suede, maybe a nubuck. Honestly, I would need somebody to tell me the difference between suede and nubuck. I think nubuck is just a shorter suede, but this is like right in between. This is right in between. And I think this is called a Dubray, with the AF1 in gold. On the inside of the shoe, you see that Junior with the Nike swoosh, just like on the heel. And on the tongue, you got Nike Air Force 1 with the swoosh in red. The shoe is clean. The shoe is clean. The swoosh is black. It's not blue or anything. It's black. But right here, the 2.4 is like a gold and like a navy blue, which is like the traditional Mariners colors, right? Now on this second shoe, this is why I think this shoe is dope. Because on the second shoe, you got the 30, and the 30 is for his dad, King Griffey Jr. or Senior, excuse me. Everything else is pretty much the same. You got the lace coming up, resembling the baseball. Instead of the 2.4, you got the 30. You got Senior with the check, which would be like Junior and Senior. So this is like a dad-son collaboration. This is why I really think that this is super dope. Everything else is pretty much identical. You got the suede, you got the Dubray. Toe box is super clean. The mini Nike sign, like I said, it says Senior on the inside and on the heel. On the bottom, I didn't show the bottom of that shoe. It gives you that classic Mariners color with the blue and the gold right here. This is a fire shoe. This is a shoe that's definitely going to stay in the collection. I got a lot of King Griffey Jr. collectibles, and this will probably go inside of a case, and I'll have a section just for King Griffey Jr. But yeah, these are fire, man. So you got your Air Force Ones right here. These are clean. This is super clean. How many minutes are we at? 6 minutes. Should I unbox this other box, or should I do a separate video? That's the real question. I could do the 2-for-1, or I could just unbox it as a pack. I don't know. I'm super excited about this Air Force 1 though. Now I had seen that they had a, you know what, we're not even gonna talk about that yet. We're gonna save that for another video. I'm gonna drop this video first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this other video of this other shoe that I have, and that'll come up. I'll either, because this video is gonna drop today. I'm dropping this video today, and the other video I'll probably schedule it for the morning, just to spread it out a little bit. So let's take one more look around the shoe. You got the Junior and the Senior. I haven't seen too many people doing any shoe reviews on this shoe, so I kind of just wanted to get this shoe review out there and get something out there. You got the bottom. Okay, so now that we're looking at the bottoms together, the heel on the Junior is gold, and then the right here, I don't know what you would call this, but this area of the foot, regardless, it's blue. So it's swapped on both sides. I think that's a dope little thing right there. I think that's dope. If you look at the lace tips, they did something a little fancy. And then, like I said, that hang tag up close. You cannot be mad at that. Yeah, you cannot be mad at that. Yes, sir, man. Well, this video's over, man. I appreciate you guys tapping in with me. There ain't much to say about this. You got your King Griffey Junior and Senior Air Force Ones. These are fire. I think this is this is a shoe that a lot of people slept on, and they might even be sitting in stores. If you didn't know that this shoe dropped, go check out your local sneaker store. Go to your mall. They might be sitting. I feel like a lot of people slept on these. This is one I will be keeping in the collection for a long time, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins, man. I appreciate everybody. Make sure you go hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.